Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about how we can find out such a great intraday or even a positional, that is should be a very good opportunity in positional trading. So that kind of candlesticks which we are going to discuss in this video right now. So if you are new, just subscribe the channel to get more update on the candlesticks pattern. Now today we are going to discuss about the candlesticks pattern, which is 2 days reversal candlesticks pattern. So this 2 days reversal candlesticks pattern we are going to find out. So let I show you with that in our TradingView platform. So let me find out, this is a daily chart of the stock where we find out that candlesticks pattern. Here is the candlesticks is nothing but that is twister bottom, that is a candlesticks where it is forms. Let's study about that candlesticks, and this should be the bullish reversal. The twister bottom is a two candle pattern, that's where potential bullish reversal. So when this candle forms, that the low of last 2 days should be very equal. The first day should be the green red candle, and the second day should be forms as a green candle, but the both the low of the candle should be same, right? So that is what important about this strategy. And when it is forms kind of pattern, so 382.05 and 382.20, so almost equal. So we will create the code, and where you check that there is a high 396.90 and 396.70. so could you able to see that on daily chart where the market is breaking that high, because this is a bullish reversal. So the 2 days candlesticks pattern where you are going to find out such an opportunity 396 and 382. So both giving you such a great opportunity. From 396 market moves 497, somewhere around 100-point movement from the bottom. Okay, previously the trend should be down and there is a reversal opportunity at this point. So we are going to find out using simple candlesticks pattern that we are going to create on our charting platform. So let's check some other stocks if you any kind of this pattern where it is forms. So somewhere it is somewhere here, and let's check it out. This is the candlesticks pattern where it is forms, and a 77.5 and 177.5 both are same. There is a tweezer bottom, that is what where we can say it as matching lows. Both lows are matching, so that is called matching low or twister bottom. So where that is a breakout above that level, so 185 with the stop loss below 177.5, initially it is triggers your stop loss, and then it slightly move up, and after that it is false break. So we find out this happen on the lowest of the trend, even that is more powerful. So what is the qualifies? So the previous trend should be downtrend, so then there should be a reversal, but here the previous trend should be up, so it is forming at the highest level, so we may ignore that. Okay, so let's check any where it is forms at the bottom, and this is also be a top. Previous trend is an up, but even though this was working, but this is not a right one, but this is working. Could you able to see that? And after breaking that 65, it went up to 191, right? And any stocks can we take for a study? Here something is forms, it is a bottom and previous trend should be up, so we ignore it. So when the candlesticks forms on the bottom of the market, there is a big potential reversal which is possible on the stock. So this stocks we find out here, and this is one where the two bottoms are matching lows which present on this two candles. Wherever it broken that high, so that is 2060, it moves towards 2100, and initially it breaks the low and triggers your stop loss. The same candle is valid over here somewhere, and this time market peaks almost 300-400 points. So how we are going to create this code and how we can effectively use this code. So that is what important. The past candle should be the red, right? So let's we create with the futures, the scanners. We are going to create in a future, and the first candle should be red. So simply the close of that 1 day ago, so must be less than the open of that, less than the open of 1 days ago, right? Open price of 1 day ago. So this will plot a red color candle, right? And the latest low, so the low of latest candle is exactly equals towards the low of 1 day ago. So this alone will filter out so what kind of candle it has exactly formed. So this is the main area, so where we are focusing. So let's find out. Oh, what happened? So Punjab National Bank, IDFC Bank, and we'll do one filter. The stock close of latest close is greater than number 100. So we will check the stock which is trading over 100 rupees. We will find out. Okay, so run the scan and we'll save the scan. There's bottom. Or matching low. Matching low, right? Submit it up. And if anyone forms, we find out a lot of stock which forms this kind of pattern. So let's check it out. And yesterday 26th August, Voltas forming this kind of pattern. Let's check it out. Voltas, it forms kind of that same pattern. And yesterday, so let's check it out whether it's right or wrong. So let's look at 955 and 955. Whenever it breaks above that level 977, today it moves up to 990 from 997. So there is a candlestick pattern where which is present at this lowest level, and when you check that the trend of previous is cleanly down. So clear downtrend where the candlestick pattern forms at this level, and there is a trend change right at the bottom of the day. And the second candle should be red or green or a doji, whatever it may be, so that the low of both the candles should be equal. So that is what very important where if you are focusing for a that kind of pattern. Okay, so that is such a great opportunity where if you are trying to break out entry around 977, so that was giving you such a profit in the intraday itself, right? And previously we find out a lot of stocks. Lalpath Labs, let's go for a Lalpath Lab. And what happened in that? And previous days low somewhere around 3800. Here it is not. Let's check for a Lalpath in futures. Sorry. How it became, there is no formation at all. How it became Lalpath Labs. Check it out. 1 day ago low equal to latest low. It is a little bit changing. So how it became? So let's check code. So the 1 day ago low. So let's change it. And 1 day ago low equals to latest low. So if you run the scan, which comes to the Lalpath 25.8. Okay, this is not by yesterday and 25.8. So where you check that 24.25. The low is 3,800, 3,800, right? So we are done the right one. So this is what a entry opportunity. Still we didn't get any entry opportunity. And the previous trend should be down, but it was up, right? Already the previous trend is in top, and this may be the not good one. So we'll check out a previous any one of the time August 20 HDFC. Let's go for a HDFC on August 20. It exactly showing the 2Z top, but the previous trend of the stock it moving up, so it not qualifies. So what I'm going to do to find out the bottom, so let's add some other conditions. The low of latest low or whatever, because both the lows are same. The latest low equals somewhere around low of monthly. Low of monthly. So if you follow that, we will find out such as stocks, how many forms, and only few stocks. Yesterday, I think Voltas, it was perfect, and on 23rd August, ONGC. So few stocks which forms such a kind of pattern. So that will give you such a great opportunity where you can see that there is a bottom where that ONGC forms the bottom of the Tuzar bottom or a matching lows. That two candle reversal pattern which forms at the bottom. So when you have the opportunity around 112, but there is no opportunity we are getting at this because it is not reaching 112, and but the reversal is quite good. Can you able to see that the reversal on the bottom? This should be was stop loss for your trade where you are taking entry 112. So 118 may be your stop loss. So simple, whenever this kind of candlestick which forms. So and previously on July 2, Godrej Properties. Let's go for a Godrej Properties on July 2. Can you able to see that? What is the kind of big movement on July 2? What is the candle which is matching low 83.1383.05, where I find out this is the bottom. So risk for the trade is somewhere around 15, but on the month it is moving 650, almost 250 points profit. So where this candlesticks pattern where we can use for our swing trading also. Most of the people are asking swing trading indicators like that. There is nothing swing trade. So what does mean by swing trades? Whenever market made a low, so we will find out such a buying opportunity. When the market made a high, so we are going to find out a selling opportunity. We can use this indicator as a swing trade indicator that will give you such a great intraday profit. Okay, so that is what the main importance, right? And a great opportunity where it is present, that was giving you such a great one. So now this is what a Tuzar bottom or a matching low. So that was forms at the day high or a day low. So that is what giving you such a great intraday opportunity. But if you are hiding this filter, so we will find out lot more stocks which is happened regular interval. So but if it has happened at a highest level, so for Asian Paint at 97, or we will go for this month any stocks with forms that August 3rd, there is an NAM India on August 3rd. There is, sorry, this is what 21st July and the 3rd August. This one, both are equal. But it will give you such a confusions by because the previous trend should be down. So that is why I am taking as a monthly low. So that will gives me such a great opportunity. If I am focusing monthly low, so we will find out very less number of stocks. We are not going to take a huge, we are focusing very less number of stocks. That was giving you such a great opportunity, right? So that is the main thing. So we are planning for that. So we got some small quantity, or the number of trades should be very small. So we will try to make such a great opportunity. If you are having 10 20 stocks in a day, so to analyze that is quite difficult, right? So that one. So another candlesticks, double candlesticks reversal pattern, and this is what a lost pattern. And the next one should be Tuzar top. That is what a bearish reversal. Here we are focusing for a bullish reversal, and the next video I'll talk about that Tuzar top. Okay, and this one we will create for hourly or 15 minutes. So we may be not getting that. So but even though we will check it out the 15 minutes of last candle, and it is 15 minutes minus 1 and 15 minutes minus 1 and simply 15 minutes candle, and the 15 minutes close equal to this 100 rupee stocks we are filtering out, or whatever it may be, 15 minute close or latest close, both are same. Here 15 minutes close equal to latest low, so that is the only change. So if you run the scan, so 15 minutes at, you can see that that was happening on the day low, right? That is why here the condition we are mentioning at the day low. Some stocks which is forming for an intraday opportunity, that is 9:45, and another one is 9:30. Let's go for a 9:30, that is Havels today on 15 minutes time frame. Havels on 15 minutes time frame, not for a daily, on 15 minutes time frame, where it is exactly 3 o'clock. This is 9:30. So this low is 215, 1215, again 1215. So if you have the trade opportunity on that, there is a trade opportunity. This one, so 20, almost 12 rupees is the stop loss. From 27 it went up to 38, almost 12 rupees. It gives you such a profit. That is the one stock which forms at a 15 minutes time frame. And the second one is Titan, and we have checked that Titan as a today's trade, but it is moving up. And Titan, which is forms this one, I think 81 800 and 1801, both are same. And from there is opportunity 806, it moves towards 830. So small risk. So here also the candlesticks pattern which forms, so the we taken by this candlestick, and here again here reversal candlestick, so we can go along with that candlestick. All right, that is what a simple method where we can focus for a this twister bottom strategy. So I will save that as a matching low by 15 minutes. I submit it out, and that's what saved the bottom. Right, I hope this may be useful video to you all, and if you are not yet subscribed my channel, just subscribe and hit the bell icon to get regular notification. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.